everyone, welcome to Makayla's Playground. Today we're gonna make my pretend ice cream with shaving cream and little beads for little sprinkles. And these are really cute things. So let's get started.
It's food coloring. We have neon, and assorted.
Yeah.
In her shopping cart, we have more shaving cream, cups, and spoons for the yummy, delicious treats.
And now let's get started. First, we have this. Which is a cup, and a bit right in the middle. Now, all we have to do to make this come out a little as we have to shake it. It won't take a couple of hours. Ooh, look.
The whole table's shaking. You're too strong.
Now let's pour it. Oh. There.
What flavor are you making first?
I don't know. Let me decide. Maybe blueberry.
Oh, that's a good one. Remember, there's spoons in the shopping cart if you need the spoons.
Mommy, look at what happened.
Oh,
my finger.
There you go.
So sometimes this gets a little messy. Get us a spoon.
Okay. Okay, what color are we gonna use? So we got these ones.
Neon blue.
Neon, let me see. Neon blue, there you go.
Now we'll bit it on. We'll bit it in. Let's just... Do you know why I have my apron on, guys? Because I don't want this to stain on my mini shirt. On my shirt.
Yeah, food coloring stains.
Yeah, it got on Mommy before.
It looks so delicious.
When we started our first video on here, Daddy was just strutting. Ooh, look.
That looks beautiful. Are you gonna just do the top blue and then the rest white? That looks pretty cool.
Now let's get some sprinkles.
What kind?
Some rainbow. It's only fine.
So these sprinkles are
fake sprinkles.
Yes.
A little bit more.
Ooh.
Just one more. Just one more packet. And there we go. Let's mix it up. That looks yummy.
It does.
It looks so good for me to eat. But you can't eat it. It's real shaving cream.
Yep.
You can even bet on you.
Give yourself a blue beard?
Yeah. Wait, there's white at the bottom.
Yeah. That's what I was saying, to mix it first before you did the sprinkles.
Let me just put a little bit more of this.
Okay.
It's literally like don't blink.
Literally don't blink?
Yeah. I'm acting up a show.
Oh, okay.
Now,
that looks beautiful.
Now we're gonna make red next. Oh my gosh, it got on me.
It's okay.
Ooh, that's a lot.
That's why we're doing this outside.
It looks like blood. Now let's...
Did we already run out on one cup?
No. But it's turning like pink. Look.
Let me see. Ooh.
There you go.
That looks beautiful. What flavor is that?
It is pink strawberry.
Delicious.
Pink strawberry. What sprinkles do you have? There's
see.
even different kinds.
Maybe we could use some blue.
Oh, what kind of blue?
This one right here.
Okay. Mix it. I can see a little bit of sprinkles.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we forgot to tell them we went on a bike ride today.
Yeah, tell them.
Is that exciting, everybody? Great.
Did you hear it? What did they say?
They said, yes, all right.
Okay.
Now, there we go. The next.
I'm sure we've all been going on a lot of outdoor activities away from everyone.
Let's mix colors.
Okay, what are we gonna mix?
Yellow and red.
What are we gonna make with that?
Orange.
Good job.
Let's see. First the red, and next is the yellow. Put it down more. Put it down more.
Closer? Oh, because you want to see it through the camera. Okay.
Now let's see if it changes. See, we have enough. We have enough.
Yeah.
Now let's mix. Do red and yellow a little bit more because we can't see it that well. Whoa, it's actually
it is turning
into orange.
Good job.
Hey, Daddy, I made it into orange.
Awesome job.
By mixing it with yellow and red. I'm gonna try to make purple next. You don't know how to make purple? I would teach you. It's just red
What
and
sprinkles
blue.
are we putting on this one?
Different ones, like
All different colors.
yeah, dun.
Yeah.
Now this is our third one. Our good one. Now let's mix
What we put down here?
purple. I'm gonna do the
You're gonna
same.
make your own purple?
Yeah, let's do red and blue.
Okay.
Oh, I'm getting it in my bed. Our ears are still healing.
Yep.
There's 4 more weeks.
No, there's not. 3 more days. So we could change them out.
We saw the humongous lizard.
Yeah, yesterday, huh?
Mommy thought it was a snake.
Ooh.
Ooh. That looks like strawberry.
Uh-huh. Ooh.
Ooh, that's a good purple.
It's coming out really nice.
It's not good. That's good. I like that purple.
Yeah.
I was about to say it's not good.
No, it's wonderful.
I was about to say that.
It's like a gray purple.
It is like a gray purple. Now let's put a little bit of this and
A little bit of this and a little bit of that.
a little bit of this and a little bit of that. Ooh, this is actually turning out really nice. This is a good one.
Yeah.
Look,
Good job. What's our next color?
green.
Oh.
Uh-oh, spaghetti. Now let's do yellow and blue together. Yellow. Oh, that was a lot of spread. Now let's put a little bit of yellow.
What color are you making? You said green or orange?
Yeah, green. Because we already
with
mixed one.
You already have a green in there, actually.
Here.
It comes with a green.
But mommy, I'm gonna make a green by using
Oh, okay.
the colors. It's okay.
Okay.
Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, that's turning into green.
Ooh, that's like a neon green. That also comes like a neon colors. But maybe you should add more.
Uh-huh.
I don't know. Oh, okay. Neon green it is. Alrighty.
Ta-da!
Wow, so fancy the way you put your sprinkles on.
La-la-la.
Ooh.
Now let's do something
What color?
blue.
Yeah? Oh, you're done with this? Or you want to do something else? Ah!
Now let's do the other colors that come with it.
Okay.
You want to try this? This pink?
Sure.
Let's see.
I know.
What it
I want to
looks
see
like.
that pink. It's supposed to be a neon pink.
The neon pink.
Mhm.
Ah! Ah! Ooh. Let's put it a little. Okay. Okay.
Beautiful. Oh, let me see. You put your sprinkles too? Wow. What color's next? I think that's the neon green, right?
I think let's try.
That's a cool one.
Do you know what green and yellow make?
Dad, what do green and yellow make?
Red.
No.
Am I right?
Nope. Let's try yellow.
Oh, we're gonna actually mix them. Okay, let's see.
and green. Well, this is not like a blue. What does it mean?
Ooh, that looks pretty cool.
It makes like a neon yellow and green, Daddy.
Oh, that's a very nice yellow.
Oh.
That's really bright.
Apps. Yellow! Oh, wait. Oh, yeah.
Ooh, I like it.
Let's try this one.
Is that the pink? I like.
don't know.
Or did we already do the pink? Oh, that's the purple.
Yeah, but I don't know what it makes.
It's gonna make purple, silly.
Yeah. Mommy, my finger.
What's your favorite color so far?
This one,
That one.
because it's good.
What flavor is that? Grape?
Yeah.
Are you gonna have Dad eat some ice cream after?
Yeah, but he
And
can't
if any of my fans are asking, I'm outside.
Joe, you're not on my YouTube channel, so
Sorry.
they don't see you. Come and say hi, then they'll see you. You see right there?
Oh, yeah, I see him now.
I made a neon purple,
Okay.
a neon yellow and green, neon pink. I made green, purple, orange, pink. It looks like a reddish,
Mm-hmm.
and looks a bit nasty, and blue.
What's your favorite one?
That one.
The purple. Dad, what's your favorite one?
Ooh, I like that blue.
Mm-hmm.
That's a nice one. Actually, they're all amazing.
Thank you. Bye, guys. I hope you enjoy my channel. If you want to watch another shaving cream, a food color Makayla video, touch here. If you want to watch the second one, please click the bell button right here. And remember to like and subscribe. And you can watch these videos if you want. Bye, and thank you. And stay healthy.